People say I'm hard to read. I just learned to guard my peace. I'm the daughter who carried storms alone, built a little kingdom I could call my own. When my heart gets heavy, I don't make a scene. I disappear a while to find the girl in me. Don't mistake my silence for a lack of care. Some battles are won by the air I spare. I feel the room before a word is spoken. I read the energy before the moment's broken. You call me distant, I call it staying true. Protecting my heart isn't something new. I'm a Cancer, born with an ocean in my chest. That's why my tides confuse the rest. Soft isn't weak, quiet isn't scared. I love with my whole heart when somebody cares. If the energy changes, I quietly leave. No drama, no war, I just choose me. I'm a Cancer, that's how I'm made. Loyal forever until loyalty fades. I don't need expensive, I need your time. Little things tell me what's real every single time. You can't buy my trust with the beautiful lie. I'll see through the mask before you even try. Radio silent when my soul needs space. Healing in the dark when nobody can trace. Shout at heart, laughing over simple things. Don't